Hello everyone, with this video I'm going to show you something really interesting. So what I'm going to show you is how to make a C#.NET program which would show you a way to see how C# can track whether a number is, for example, double or integer once you enter it. So with other words, it's better to show than to explain. We will create a new project, wait a little, it will be console application and it will be named with the name doubles and integers. And once it's generated, I'll show you how to name it. So here we need all these libraries out, this out, this out, and this out. And in the Solution Explorer, I'll name our program with the name doubles and integers. And we'll start. So we create a list of integers named ints. And whenever we say, we will initialize a new list of integers. And we create a list of doubles named doubles. And whenever we meet it, we'll create a new list of doubles. And yep. So then we just need one while function, and as well this thing here. And yes, I see it's highlighted, it should be double. Here it's better, sounds better. And what we do, while the condition is true, we do this. What is our condition actually? Int result and double result. So as I mentioned, the program would read some numbers from the console and then would tell us how many which numbers are integers and which numbers are doubles. So without and the numbers would be mixed between integers and doubles. It's really a tricky program. So we say here, please enter an integer or a double. And we define the string input console readline. So actually we can read it from the console. So what do we do next? We make a try.parse. So yep, if integer, try.parse input out int result. If this is the case, and we need one parenthesis more here, this is the case, we increase the int result list here with this line. If an integer can be parsed, so we make an integer, we enter an integer number, then we add it to the int result list, which is the one we have defined here. And else if double try.parse input out double result. And in this case we make double result dot add, not double result but doubles dot add to double result. And what we have done here I don't like. Why it is like this? Oh, yep, let's improve a little the code, because otherwise we may make some mistakes, and I think that we need some more brackets, let's say here, here, and one here, so the code it looks good. Yep. And okay, and in case that it's not integer or double, we just, I mean something else, let's say a word or something, or someone has done something else, we just put break, we are out of it. So in the console, once we are out of this almighty cycle, I mean if we are out, it's probably better to do this. Yep. So in the, we just use console write, and we say you entered placeholder ints, and in order to state what should be in this placeholder, we count the ints in the list, and this is how we count them. So for each var I in our collection, which is ints, we do the following. First we make the code a little more understandable, and we say console dot write, so what should be written, this is a space, and I. This is how you populate a list, and when it's ready, write one. So we have a space with this write one, and after the space we write the same for the doubles, as we have already said. You have entered doubles, remove the doubles, yeah. So is the number, we say the number of the doubles, and in order to state the doubles we do pretty much the same what we have done for the integers, var e in doubles, we make the code again normal, and we just say, just change to something else, console write, we don't write line, because if we say console write line, every double would be on a present on a separate line, plus d, and then we say console write line, and pretty much that's it. Let's see how it works. We press Ctrl and F5, and it says, would you like to continue and run the last successful build? No? What's your problem, dude? Why don't you want to work? Come on. I suppose it's something here. Whoa. Really hate it when everything is in red. Okay, tell me that it's this thing, I'm gonna believe you. Okay, let's see. Why do you want to underline our stuff? Console read key. Oh, it's probably console read key. Yeah, why is console read key? It should be console read line. Not just a key. Let's start Ctrl F5 again. No. Oh yeah, sometimes I'm just like an amateur. Actually, I am kind of an amateur. So after we have done this, Control and F5. Okay, says please enter integer or double. So we put 21, which is an integer, 12, which is an integer, 11, which is an integer, 10, 19, and 1.9 or 2.0 or 3.5, which are doubles, and check. Okay, beautiful. It doesn't work. I suppose it's because in Bulgaria probably we should do it with a comma. Let's try again. I mean for the doubles. So we put 12, 221, and 1,5, 2,3, and 3,5. Well, in this case it's really a little more interesting why it is like this. We just put F8 and we start debugging. I mean F8 here. So please enter an integer or a double. 188, 2,3 and 3,2. Else if try.parse, else break. Yep, we don't have anything. If I say thank you for the music, give it. 23, 1.4.5. Please enter an integer or double. Something is completely not working good here. But it has said that we have entered. Whoa, why it does not work on double? 5.3, 5.23. Wow, it's really an interesting thing. So it actually reads every, and this is how it does it. Loop until the loop is broken, and in order to break the loop, calculates everything. This is the logic. Wow. Now I understand some things. So let's suppose it's true, and I enter 2.5042. It's okay. It can be parsed into integer, into double. So I enter 753. Then I 53, 535. Then I enter another double, 4.5. Then I'm going to break. So I'm entering something which is not integer or double. I just entered a string. So it says you entered 3 integers, and it says the integers. You entered 2 doubles. Okay, what I also want is to make, let's say, a smiling face between every integer and double. So this is how it would look like. Let's say 12, 12, 12, and 2.4. Yeah, I just put a second point after the 4. So we have 43, 40, we have 2.3, 3.4, and we should have as a result 3 integers and 2 doubles. Yep, 3 integers and 2 doubles with some faces. Thanks for watching. I mean, if you really watched it until here, I'll be really happy if you have some feedback or something. You can leave it on my website. So thanks and have a nice day. Ciao ciao.